Now you saw the step 1.
Yeah.
Step 1, we take the millet,
Yeah.
we put it into the grinder, and then
Right.
we get the flour out of it,
Yeah.
right? So what she does here is we take the flour
Yeah.
and then we mix it with coconut water and then a sweetener. The sweetener can be either treacle or jaggery or a natural sweetener like that.
Right.
So she takes it and she mixes it and makes a paste out of it. So this paste, she takes a kanda kola and then she spreads the paste all over the kola.
What do you mean by kanda kola is this stuff, right?
Yes, yeah,
Okay.
this leaf.
The
So,
leaf.
yeah, you spread it all over the leaf and
Right.
then you close it down. And then third and finally,
Yeah.
the step is we take this leaf and then we steam it. We put it to a pot of boiling water
Yeah.
and then we steam it on top of it. And the end product is what we call a halapa.
A helapa.
Halapa. So Sri Lankan snack.
Oh, it's a snack.
It's a
It's
snack.
a sweet snack.
Sweet snack. So basically it can be called a dessert as well.
Right.
So it can be enjoyed in the morning, the evening hours.
Breakfast.
With a cup of tea. It's
Healthy.
perfect. Very healthy as well because natural sweetness, the flour is Kurakan flour, the millet
Right.
flour.
That's amazing.
Yes.
I can't wait to taste it.
Well, let's get on to it.
Yeah, sure. Thanks. Thank you.
Now you saw how we have been preparing the millet.
Yeah.
You get the flour and then the Kurakan.
Yeah.
So this is the end process of it. Finally, you put it into a pot such as this and then you steam it with
Yeah.
water. So this method is also very traditional. As you can see, there's 3 rocks. So we use these 3 rocks to balance the pot
Yeah.
and then use it in a very traditional Sri Lankan way to cook it.
Yeah.
So we steam it. So this is halapa. In the halapa, you get the Kurakan flour, the millet flour, you put it into the kanda kola.
Right.
This is actually a snack used in Sri Lanka all over the place. So it can be used as a snack, as a dessert and such.
Oh, really? So
Yes.
it's sweet.
It's very sweet. You can try it. Go ahead, try one.
Thank you. Can I eat it?
Sure, go ahead.
So this is steamed millet, right?
Steamed millet.
So, as it is sweet, right? Can we eat this as a dessert?
Oh yes, many Sri Lankans eat it even for breakfast
You
in
can.
the morning hours or in the evening hours as well.
So
Yeah.
with a cup of tea or something would be really nice.
Exactly. It'll be perfect, the cup of tea. Complements it very well.
It's very nice. Very nice. Try some. And it's healthy as well, yeah?
It's very healthy. Even though it's sweet, it's healthy.
It's healthy. So it's a healthy dessert.
It is.